mess. So what we got to do here is we got to get it peeled off these outside edges. And 2 foot on center mobile home. I hate them. Huh? Oh yeah, she was leaking bad right here. This is the kind of stuff you're going to find under your mobile home tin roof if you spray crap like this on it. I mean, come on. A big rust hole. Yeah. Just put a piece of metal over it. Peel and seal. Alright, at this point, we got all of our lines popped. This line here represents a rafter, which is a 2x2 basically. That's how mobile homes are. It represents a rafter all the way down through there, and then what we've done is marked our first line down through here, pulling 4 foot and a 1/4 inch from the outside edge so that we don't stick past anywhere on that side. So 4 foot and a 1/4, and we pop the line straight down this mobile home. So we'll start our plywood at either end now and just measure them from the end. We're looking for most likely an 8 foot piece, obviously, for our first break, and then we'll come back during this next run and run right to that one, that piece there, and we'll run it at like maybe 4 feet, and then we'll have full 8 foot pieces. Anyways, that's where we're at. I like that, boy, it's solid there. As opposed to this garbage right here. That's what you're normally walking on, as opposed to this. Alright, we're back for day 3. Nice and solid under our feet. Everything's screwed down. Alright. Pulled this piece back because it's going to lap that piece. And we'll fold this in half just so we can glue the rubber and the OSB. And glue both sides of the substrate. Then we'll pull it out in half. Pull it back on the glue. Sweep her down.
Busting up the dust, you ready on the shelf. Would you do me up and play me like everybody else? If I ask you to scratch my back, could you manage that? Now if we did,